name's Colin Salmon. I'm an actor. I live in central London, and we have a south-facing garden in our home, which we absolutely love, but we needed to get some shade because it gets very, very hot in the middle of the day, and that's why we needed the awning. Yeah, the specific challenges that I had was that actually we wanted a 5-meter awning on this particular extension, which actually is an issue because of the weight of the 5-meter awning. It's very, very heavy. And we found this company, in particular, they have a special mechanism, which is a spreader plate. And I used to be in buildings, so I understood that that was to disperse the weight, and meaning we can put it on this. And actually a 5-meter awning went up very, very quickly. And they came highly recommended, and they're good. Well, the installation process was brilliant. I mean, the most important thing is the measuring. You have to get that absolutely correct. And Nigel, who runs the company, got in touch with me personally and helped me work it out. So I actually sent pictures back and forth, and he asked me questions about power cables and things like that. But when the guys arrived, I mean, they arrived 2.5 hours ago, and it's done. That is pretty impressive. Not even 2.5 hours, actually 2 hours. That's very impressive. Would I recommend RA awnings to my friends, anybody watching or listening? Well, I wouldn't recommend anything I wouldn't use. That's the rule I have in life. I use RA awnings. Retractable awnings are a great idea because they're not weatherproof. You have to look after them, you have to be mindful. They're here for sun, you don't put them up in storms. But there's absolutely no question. It's changed the game in our house, and of course I recommend them to people, all my friends everywhere. If it's good enough for me, trust me, it's good enough for me.